Phonological awareness routine number 1. In this routine, children will listen to beginning, middle, and ending sounds in pairs of words to determine whether the sounds are the same or different. There's 4 different parts to this routine. Students will match the sounds, distinguish the sounds, identify whether the sounds are the same, and then isolate the sounds in each of the pairs of words. Let me give you some examples. You're going to begin by telling children they're going to listen for the sounds in words. So for instance, 2 words, boat and boy. Ask children, are the beginning sounds the same in boat and boy? Students will say yes. In the words cat and nap, are the middle sounds the same? Cat, nap. Yes, they are the same. And in the words pin and tan, ask students to listen to those words and tell you whether the ending sounds are the same in pin and tan, and they will be able to identify that those ending sounds are the same. The next part of this routine is to have students distinguish sounds in words, and in these pairs of words, some of the sounds are not going to be the same. So students are going to say yes or no. So let's look at some of those examples. In the word tent and duck, are the beginning sounds the same in tent and duck? Students should be able to identify that the beginning sounds in tent and duck are not the same. As in tent, it's t, and in duck, it's d. Again, we'll try another set of words. In the words cup and mud, are the middle sounds the same in cup and mud? Yes, the middle sounds are the same. It's the short U sound. Again, we'll try 2 more. In the words ran and rag, are the ending sounds the same in ran and rag? The ending sounds are not the same, and you want students to be able to verbalize that. The next part of the routine is to identify matching sounds, so you will say 2 or 3 words that only share the same beginning, middle, or ending sounds. Let me give you a few of those examples. In the 2 words mug and mat, which sound is the same? The beginning sound, the middle sound, or the ending sound? In mug and mat, which sound is the same? Students should be able to identify that it is the beginning sound that is the same in mug and mat. In the words cat and bit, which of the sounds are the same? The beginning sound, the middle sound, or the ending sound in cat and bit? Students should identify that the ending sound is the sound that is the same. One more that we'll try. In the words pot and mop, which sound is the same? Is it the beginning sound of those 2 words, the middle sound of those 2 words, or the ending sound? In pot and mop, the middle sound is the one that is the same. Finally, in this routine, students will listen for the beginning, middle, and ending sound of the word. So what you're going to do is say the word to them and then have them repeat it. Then you'll ask them for an isolated sound. So let's try a couple of those. In the word cup, I'll say the word cup, then the students will repeat the word cup. And then I will ask them, what is the beginning sound in the word cup? Students should be able to identify that the beginning sound is k in the word cup. Let's try the word pot. In the word pot, what is the ending sound of the word pot? So I'll say the word, the students will say the word, and then they should be able to identify what that ending sound is, which in this word pot would be t. One more. In the word ran, what is the middle sound in the word ran? The middle sound students should be able to identify is the ah sound. You'll say it, students will repeat it, and then you'll ask them to isolate either the beginning, the middle, or ending sound. Continue with pairs of words until you feel that all students have mastered this skill.